infamous rear window, no slidey slide problem, which has to do with the unit that's up in here. Looks like this button here for sliding the window ends up just not doing anything. And what's the cause? There's plenty of videos that show you how to take apart that and get it out of the ceiling. And if you actually take the module apart, this is what it looks like. Let's get a little zoomy on here. And you have these little fingers that flip from here down to here. They slide when you push those buttons, and one for each. And when you do that, it puts it switches the positive and negative on the motor, so it'll go forwards or backwards, either for your sunroof or for the backsliding window. And these are the relays here that send the power, direct the power to where it needs to go to those motors. Now, I plugged this in up here and flashed this up and down, and I could see one of the relays was sparking inside a lot more than the other one. You could see it through the case. A little spark is fine, and that's naturally going to happen because you have two metal pieces disconnecting and connecting with power. But this was a really big spark. So I looked at maybe replacing one of these relays, and you know, they got the little part numbers there and everything. Let me see, I'll zoom it in for you. There you go. But buying relays, they usually come in like a 10-pack, and you're paying $5-10. And you know, this replacement module here was only $24 on good old Amazon. So I'm gonna plug this baby in, and moment of truth, we're gonna see if this works, and then I will assemble it back into this bad boy. So, but I want to test this first. And you're always supposed to disconnect your negative battery terminal if you're doing anything but plugging in or plugging out. But sorry, I'm just a little haphazard. I don't care. So, moment of truth. I'm gonna push this button and watch. Oh yeah! Here it goes. Boom. Now let's open it. Oh, yep. Solid. Let's try the others. Yes, sunroof working. Okay, come back to me. And we're gonna try the tilt. There it is. Tilt it on up. Tilt it on down. Sweet.